Savory sausage stuffing, guys. This is so good. And being Canadian, I'm really lucky because I get to celebrate Canadian Thanksgiving, all kinds of friends in the States, so I get to celebrate American Thanksgiving and Christmas. This is the best stuffing you'll ever have, and let me show you how to do this. So the first thing you want to do is melt some butter down in a preheated pan. This is over medium-high heat. And I got about 4 tablespoons of butter here. Add in 2 stalks of chopped celery. A small chopped onion. This is a red onion, you can use white, whatever you like. An apple, and we've cut this up into bite-sized bits. Now I've used Granny Smith here, but if you want a bit more sweetness, you could use a Fuji. Whatever you like. I just like the Granny Smith. I like the tardiness of it. Now for our spices, I'm going to add in, I'd say about a teaspoon of sage. A couple of sprigs of thyme. Now I'm using fresh thyme here, but you can use dried as well. About another teaspoon of salt. And last but not least, a teaspoon of ground black pepper. My all-time favorite. And we'll just give this a stir and saute this just until everything is tender crisp. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. It's so aromatic. Oh, just wonderful. I love Thanksgiving. I love the holidays, especially Christmas. After about 10 minutes, they're tender crisp. So I'm just going to kill the heat here. Grab up my breadcrumbs. Now I pre-made these last night, but you can buy them store-bought or you can pre-make them, whatever you like to do, but they're done just about perfect. And I'll put a recipe in the description below, and you can go ahead and do that. Now this is about 8 cups of breadcrumbs, and it'll feed 4 to 6 people. If you have more over, you can simply double it. Oh, wonderful stuffing. Next up, I'm going to add 3 Italian sausages to the pan. Now I've taken the casings off these, just so they fry up a whole lot better. I'm using mild Italian, but you can use honey garlic, whatever you like. I just love the mild Italian though. I will just go ahead and fry these up until they're cooked and browned. And if it gets dry, you can always add in a little bit more oil. My sausages. Now the sausage is done. I'm going to kill the heat, and we're just going to transfer this into the bowl with the rest of our stuffing. Oh man, like I say, I go on about this smell-o-vision. I wish we had it. It smells so good. I'm also going to add half a cup of dried cranberries, half a cup of chicken stock just to give it that additional moisture. Then we will simply give this a good toss together. Now, something I really need to stress here, guys, I added half a cup of chicken stock, and you can adjust it accordingly because my breadcrumbs were really dry. If yours are a little more moist, you can add less, but if yours are dry, add more, just to that level of moisture that you want your stuffing. Now get our glorious, wonderful stuffing into a baking dish. And I've had a taste, and this is good. Okay, now this is going into a preheated oven set at 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius for about 30 minutes. Having said that, what a trick I've done in the past, I put it in the fridge the night before, put some saran wrap over it, put it in the fridge, and then got it out the next day, and 30 minutes before the turkey's done, slip it in. You could do that. Also, I know I'm going to get asked, can I freeze this? And personally, I don't see any reason why you couldn't. And if you do try it, let us know in a comment below. After about 30 minutes, there you have it, guys, our savory sausage stuffing for the holidays. Spectacular. Okay, time to test and taste. Guys, this is the best, most satisfying stuffing I've ever tasted. It is savory. Everything is complete. It is so good. I mean, I could eat this as a meal on its own. Just incredibly incredible. This with the turkey, some mashed, whatever you have at your Thanksgiving, this makes the meal complete. You've got to make this. Absolutely fantastic. Can I have more? And as always, guys, for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of wonderful stuff over there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Stay safe and see you next time.